How are you doing? You're in your jams, huh? Be careful. We both need to be careful. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You got some boots on? No boots? If you're walking barefoot, your mother let you out of the house like this? Somebody call the authorities. Hey, you want to walk down?
Yes.
As far as we can go?
We can go. Help you. I'm gonna help you shovel.
You can help me shovel?
Yes.
That's very generous of you. Come on. Keep going. Whoa. No, you can do it though. Come look at all the tractors. Keep going. Look at those tractors. Run, run, run. I thought you were going to help me.
I'm gonna help.
Are your feet starting to get a little cold?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say hi, George? Hi, Sue.
Hi, George. Hi, Sue.
You need a little tiny tractor.
Do you have a tiny tractor? Look at all those tractors working down there. Look, look, look. You want me to pick you up?
Yeah.
Why? Because your feet are freezing?
Yes.
Okay, let's get inside.
Yes.
Can you say snowpocalypse?
No lips.